How are you guys? Here's Ricardo Melo speaking again from Brazil. Today's Thursday. It's a beautiful Thursday morning here in Brazil. I hope you enjoy your day in your country and we have another drop of inspiration, my friends. And I'd love to share with you some topics about what we are doing to manage our time better. What do you usually do on your free time? You're planning your free time or you don't plan your free time? How usually does it work for you? And about your busy time, you are doing what's important to be done. You have enough meaning in the way you are managing your time, your busy time, or not. For example, everybody has agenda, some kind of agenda. So we have our habits, daily habits. We have our usually appointments. So for example, go to work, take care of our family, take care of our health, and everything is important. Definitely everything is important. But if you are not really aware of what you are doing, maybe you can fall in the trap, Maybe you can just find yourself completely lost on autopilot, doing something important but not with enough meaning. And maybe you will start feeling bad, you will start feeling demotivated, you will start feeling you start how can I say, in your up and downs, you will start feeling not capable of surpassing this tough moments because you are not managing correctly your time. So it's so common. And my point here in our drop of inspiration of today, my dear friend, is that we need be more aware we are doing with our free time. It's really important we are able to do that. If you are really aware about what you are doing in your free time, you can make naturally better choice. You can take more wisely decisions for your life. So regardless of your free time, your busy time, regardless of if you're thinking about job, if you're thinking about time we are spending with our family, it's important we bring enough meaning to our lives. So if you are with me in the previous drop of inspiration, you probably paid attention that every time here I'm talking about meaning, because when you're talking about meaning, we're talking about the purpose of our lives. We are talking about the great fuel that can make us happier as time goes by, and that's the point here. It's useless you have a busy agenda doing a lot of different things in your daily routine if you're not happier because of that. So doesn't make sense. And unfortunately we have a lot of people around the world that live unconsciously about their habits, about their choice. They only do the same choice and they only complain at the same time. So come on, we need to do something different than that. So my dear friends, I would love to invite you in our drop of inspiration today to think carefully about the way you are managing your time, the way you are doing in order to pick the things you are doing. You are making your choice and in your daily routine. It's important we all the time are thinking about that, because as time goes by we are become wiser if you do that. And as time we become wiser, naturally we start doing the best things. We start taking a better decision, what is very good for all of us. So my dear friends, I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you enjoy your life. And please email us, send us your message. Just let me know about your opinions about our drop of inspiration. You can suggest some topics that we can cover here, because it's a great pleasure to serve you. Definitely, it's a great pleasure. It's a great honor for me and my team in Brazil. So have a wonderful day, have a wonderful life, and thank you so much for spreading our drop of inspiration. As you know, my dear friends, see you soon. See you very, very soon.